All right, so Valentine's Day is all about romance, but what happens when two strangers meet for the very first time live on TV?
Yeah. Today we are setting a blind date right here in the studio. They have never met, never spoken to each other. Will sparks fly? Make we find out.
All right, hold on. We have to do this the right. Hi, I'm Vanessa Lachey.
And I'm Nick Lachey.
Welcome to Love is Blind.
Love is Blind. You've heard the word, or the term, how it go again? Love at first sight.
Right.
But let's see if we can get love with no sight.
With no sight. The pods are now open. Blind date 1. Describe yourself for us. Is that, the description is for when them start to talk, or?
I think so. Make them
Introduce themselves and talk.
Them for
All right. You ready, sir?
Oh, yeah, man.
All right.
Oh, no?
Just first name. Yeah, man. Got you.
All right. I'm Dre Skeen. I'm a content creator and a content strategist. I'm a like food.
And you like food. All right.
All right, blind dates number 2, introduce yourself.
I'm Anthonia Atkinson and I am a singer. I also love animals, anything animals.
Ooh.
And I'm also a journalist.
Ooh, okay. All right. I feel like you can take off the blindfold them.
Yeah,
know
and then,
thing, and then
we come out of them way?
Yeah, and then we make them, do them, you know?
The dates start right now. The pods are really open right now. The pods are really open. You guys do your thing.
Don't want to mess up your...
Sure, no problem.
Yeah, that is all right. All the best.
Thank you.
Talk, man, talk.
Oh, start.
Oh,
right.
Yeah.
So, how old are you?
I'm 24.
24.
How old are you?
How old my son?
32.
Jeez and peace. All right, 31. But we almost say 25 still. All right. You said you're a journalist, right?
I am.
Where do you work?
I work here.
At TVJ?
Yes, I do.
That's interesting. I don't really know for date, you know. What people normally ask for a date.
Well, that's where you have to learn. What do you expect to learn in a relationship, or what do you expect from a relationship?
Wow, that's a very deep question. From a relationship, I'd say a partner supportive, you know, somebody you can communicate with, have those nice down moments with, somebody you can build with. How about you?
I am very secure in myself. Mm-hmm. So I want somebody who is as secure. I don't want to meet somebody that is insecure. Mm-hmm. I want somebody to grow with until I'm dead. Forever do us apart, you get me? And I also love somebody who's actually there for me emotionally. I'm not afraid to communicate, and I'm not afraid to show my partner what I like and dislike.
So I'll take it that you're single, right?
I am.
How long have you been single?
I've been single for 1 year.
Right, not bad.
Are you single?
Yes, I am.
You sure?
1000% sure.
Okay.
So my question now is, why are you single? Why did the relationship end?
You know, it was mutual. It was just not working out. It was more of me giving than receiving.
So if I ask a guy that, am I gonna say the same thing?
He would be very honest, yes.
It's, you know, that's what a woman always say, you know.
No, he would. Knowing the person I was with, he would.
And how long was that relationship?
2 years.
Okay, almost a marriage. All right.
Oh.
All right. What else would I want to know now? If I'm on a blind date.
Are you having a baby mother?
Whoa, no. No children.
You having any children?
No children.
Just one.
No woman. Single.
Why are you single?
I've been working on myself.
Sure.
That sounds like a typical toxic man.
No, like really, I've been, you know, focusing on work. You know, taking a break from the love stuff, and here I am on a blind date. Hold on, this might sound shallow, but how tall are you?
I'm 5'5".
Oh, good, calm. I can't do the tall girl them.
Why?
Bad.
Oh, power to the
Love our women.
Our queens. Why did your relationship end? Your last relationship?
Ooh, man, if you want to set up on TV.
You can be. You don't have to be.
It just never work out.
Okay.
Never work out.
Okay.
But I was not in the wrong.
You know, say my toxic man.
This is a narcissist.
Wow.
A typical man.
Wow.
Why were you not in the wrong? Every relationship have its wrongs and rights.
This is not a good first impression. I hear you call me a narcissist a while ago.
Oh, or a toxic man.
That is not. It's a red flag right there.
No problem.
That day to us. This day not go well.
No,
what is your
why would you say? Why would you say you had no wrong?
Oh, because we know, you know. All right, I had a little part to play. However, the ending, I never really me, right?
Okay. Okay.
So it's the ideal date. Let's go back on the good stuff.
I love anything nature. I love water. Like for me, I know the typical days is going out on dinner, but like we can buy a bowl and cheese and go down to Palisades and watch the water. That's me. I'm a very simple person, but you can go out of your way. I would love that because my love language is quality time. And you know, you should love people in their love language. So if your love language is, I don't know, what's the other love languages?
Acts of service.
Right, I should love you in that love language.
Yeah, I get
So anything nature. How about you?
The ideal date for me, I'm a romantic guy, right?
Love that.
So I like to cook.
Love that.
So anything food, set the nice, the mood and all of that.
Okay.
That's me.
Yes,
Okay.
Yeah.
So picture that date to me.
Alright, so the first date, so I wouldn't offer to cook because then that might sound creepy if I invite you over and you know, so I'd bring you somewhere nice, right?
Okay.
Of course, depending on what you taste, easy say that you're simple. So I'll take it that we'd have to do something where the food is not too different, but still good.
Fancy, nice.
Drinking on some good drinks, having some meaningful conversations. Yeah, first date.
Okay.
But you say I like the outdoor stuff.
I do.
So I'll be very honest with you. I like inside. Fan and AC are my best friend.
Okay.
Like the outside thing, rough. Like I'll do it
Yeah.
because you know I'm that type of guy where I'd go to my way for my partner.
Understood.
But the reality is, I prefer inside, outside hot. Outside hot.
Where are you from?
I'm actually from Kingston.
Oh, okay. I'm from Mandeville, Manchester.
No, still a country like I said.
Why would you? Why? Why?
The way that I talked about it earlier, I say, yeah, man. Not from Kingston. Well, that's good.
What does that mean?
No, you know, they're loving the fresh air and thing. I love fresh air.
I do.
From the air condition, but you know, yeah, that's good. That's good.
Okay, so if we're supposed to go on our first date, where would it be?
Somewhere low key. I like Portly.
Okay.
It's not out there, nobody not really. And food? Yeah, man, good.
Okay.
So let's say, I have a question, but I don't know how to ask it without sounding. You know what? Never mind. Let's scrap that one. Scrap that one.
First.
You say you're from Mandeville.
I am.
Which school you used to go to?
I went to Bishop's and Manchester High.
Oh, Bishop. I'm not pretending I know which school is that.
It's an all-girls institution.
Oh.
I went there for 3 years and Manchester High for the next 2.
Oh, I know Manchester High. All right, cool. I went to the Great Calabar.
Okay.
You know, green and black. I'll be very honest with you. You see, come I can't see you. I don't really know what to say.
Okay.
And a long time when I go up on a date because, as I said earlier, you know, I've been working on myself.
Okay.
Taking the time out. I hear like whispering beside me, I don't know.
And as for your job, how would you make time for your partner?
Oh, that easy, man. I'm the type where I always try, no matter what I do, or whichever set or whatever I'm on, my partner know everything. I'm not the secretive type. She can have my password, them,
Okay.
all of that. Man, I just said that.
Have you ever cheated?
No. Serious. But even I say because, no. It's a huge disrespect to me.
Okay.
This is where we interject. I'm coming back in the pods. Dre,
Yeah.
may I have some...
So my boss.
Yeah. Ask him something for me, because I have him over here and I'm reading him now.
That little part there when she asks you why the relationship. There, John, ask me the question.
Yes. So why did the relationship end?
You know, I am doing a lot of self-awareness work, and I realized I might have been the wrong person at the time for her. So I'm working on myself right now to be a better man, so that when I find someone, I can be all that I can be for her.
Ding, ding, ding.
All right,
you
boss.
win. You win.
Toxic.
Dre, give the answer. This I'm working on myself. Dre, first of all, I'm a country girl. I'm not where I come from too. So you don't know wrong bang. I also went to Bishop Gibson. So when you say no, I'm like, you know what? Come, Dre. Let me introduce you to your girl to see if you can get it right now that you see her.
Hi. Like your red dress.
Yeah.
Really nice.
Hi, nice to meet. Shake hand. Hello.
Nice to meet you.
I'm good.
Yes, I'm a hugger. Yes.
Antonia, any comments for Dre?
Just the comment that you guys just made, that really threw me off. But apart from that, he seems cool.
Here's the thing. He was planning to bring you out on the first date so that he can explain himself.
Yeah, true. It never come out the right way when I try to say.
Anything from her responses that...
No, actually seem level-headed, which is good, because the girl them nowadays, ooh.
Okay.
So I really appreciate that.
No problem.
All right, so we've done our jobs. The wedding is set for 4 weeks. No?
Yeah. So would you guys actually date? You know?
I don't know.
Based on the questions and thing and record. Cause here's what, right? You guys, if on a date and you're not going to get married,
You have to come back here.
Yeah,
Invited to the wedding.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Right.
about the roots, you understand?
And another thing, what the tall girl?
Like power to the tall.
I'm not tall, so you know.
Power to the tall queen.
Forward to the tall queens. Thank you so much, my sister. Thank you. All
Follow, man.
right,
I
you
want to
know
present
what?
you guys with these two cans, courtesy of Chocolore.
Thank you.
Lovely
you.
chocolate, and I think there's some liqueur in there, so you can enjoy it.
Together or not?
Or not.
Or not?
This what happens after this.
Hey.
Yeah, babe.
Hey.
I'm working on
What the,
myself.
Master wants to know, not master. Director, they're gonna date or not?
Wrap it up. Are we gonna do it or not?
We're going to say after this. We'll talk after this.
So the people don't can know.
Stay tuned. Simple as that.
Prince said they're gonna date or not. Antonia said, wrap it up. Wrap this up. Wrap this up.
All right, I want to say thank you to Andrea and Anthonia. We have more Weekend Smile, so please stay with us.
We try, we don't know. We try. We try. You know what?